thinking about some of the clients we have implemented so far. I think Arnold from Ottawa comes to mind.
Nice.
And so we did some construction dashboards, which were
Very
not
nice.
part of the standard pack. I think they like it very much. They are now trying to go towards it.
Very nice.
So other than any other consideration that you need to think about other than probably getting started?
I would say nothing comes to my mind. Like, I mean, a lot of clients have implemented this and they have found this very useful. Even the ability to just extract the data, Yardi data, and then do whatever analytics that they want to run in Power BI is something very powerful. And the icing on the cake is our starter kit, which is like gives them a solid foundation to get started with. And then we also train on all the artifacts as well. So that's all good, and then I think many clients are utilizing this in a very positive way and has brought a positive change. And I'm very excited about what lies in future and what the capabilities being expanded as well with Microsoft Fabric and its ecosystem and its Microsoft ecosystem as well. Now you can not only have all these within Power BI and Fabric. Now, if you want to push that into like maybe as an app into Microsoft Teams, it integrates seamlessly. If you want to publish certain reports into SharePoint, you can do that. You can even have Power Automate, Power Apps, all integrated to this. So the whole power, the best of the Yardi world, because now you can pull the data from Cafe, Elevate, Yardi, Voyager 8 and everything included, and then you have the best of the Microsoft world. So best of the two worlds coming together is what I see this product as, and that's been the feedback. So I'm really excited about this product.
I see that you're very much excited about the product and you're a champion of the product. Thank you very much for your time.
Yeah, it was very nice meeting you. Thank you so much for your time as well.